What's up everyone? Thanks for watching today. I get asked once in a while, why do you still use a gas trimmer? What is the purpose of using a two-stroke when battery powered is the hot new deal lately? Let me show you. This isn't my yard, no. I'm on location at my sister's field and we're going to be trimming it up just a little bit. Let me show you the real power of two-cycle. I didn't even use that much string. Look at that. That's Rhino Tough. Round .090. Good stuff. So guys, if you have a field to mow like this, get yourself a gas trimmer. You'll thank yourself. That's all I've got today. Until next time, thanks for watching.